semiconductors as power, and why production was moved to Taiwan and South Korea. The United States understood decades ago that technology is not just a product, it is power. Semiconductors are the core of modern civilization. They power economies, militaries, and national security systems. The U.S. chose to keep the brain of the semiconductor industry, chip design, intellectual property, and core architecture. Actual manufacturing was strategically placed in Taiwan and South Korea, countries that are technologically capable, politically aligned, and integrated into the U.S.-led global system. As a result, Taiwan and South Korea became world-class manufacturing hubs, with massive revenue, advanced technology, and strategic importance. When these countries became wealthy, they also gained something critical to protect, and strong incentives to preserve the existing global order. Semiconductors therefore are not just an economic tool. They are a geopolitical instrument, designed to build alliances and contain RCL powers. America's long-term worldview, and why it stays decades ahead. The United States does not think in terms of short political cycles. It thinks in terms of state continuity and generational strategy. Presidents may change, but the core direction of power remains consistent. America views the world structurally, not emotionally, and not tactically. From early on, the U.S. anticipated that China would eventually rise as a major power. The question was never whether China would grow, but how to limit the ceiling of that growth. The answer was technology, financial systems, and a tightly connected alliance network. Instead of confronting China directly, the U.S. quietly built long-term constraints. Today China has capital, markets, and industrial scale, but it still faces bottlenecks in advanced chips, manufacturing equipment, and foundational knowledge controlled by the U.S. and its allies. This is not an accident, and it is not a short-term policy. It is the result of a strategy planned decades in advance. Closing summary: America leads the world not because of luck, but because it plans further ahead, thinks structurally, and acts patiently. Semiconductors, alliances, and global systems are weapons that do not require bullets. And this is why America's long-term strategy has kept it more than 30 years ahead of the rest of the world.